Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to secure in-house signed documents using a questionnaire. So a questionnaire is basically just a bunch of questions that you and your recipients know the answer to. You can use this to secure your documents. So basically, your recipients just needs to answer the questions and they gain access. I'm currently in Inhouz Cloud console. To get into Inhouz Sign, all I need to do is click on Inhouz Sign. So one thing to know about Inhouz Sign is that you can send documents using a template, and you could send documents without a template. In both cases, you can configure your security configurations. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and create a document. I'm just going to call this document test proposal YY23. Just a random name. I'm going to use a template. I'm going to use a test proposal template, and I'm going to use the development environment. For the recipient, I'm going to set myself as the recipient. And when I get to my security widgets, this is a form. This is a module called Inhouz Firewall. It's used to configure security configurations on tools like Inhouz Sign, Inhouz Payments, subscription management, and all the modules on Inhouz Cloud platform. To configure questionnaire, all you need to do is toggle on the set questionnaire. You have the option to basically say if you want the answers or if you want the validation to be case sensitive. So if it's case sensitive, it means that the user, if your answer is capitalized or if you have like a capital A, the user must provide a capital A. If not, it flags down as a bad validation. So I'm going to leave this as case insensitive. We're going to go ahead and add a question. And I'm just going to put here, the question is, what is the make and model of your first car? All right. And the answer is going to be Toyota Camry. I guess I could just make the C a capital C. So you can ask as many questions as you would like, and the user would have to, of course, answer all questions. The answers are always encrypted, so on our systems, the answer is stored in an encrypted way, so you don't have to worry about that. One thing to note is that you can mix and match these security configurations. So yes, you can set password restrictions and a questionnaire. So when the user is done putting in their password, then they need to also answer the questions. So you can think of this as like a multi-factor authentication. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send my document. Okay, so we should receive an email that has our document. Just going to pull this over here, and our document opens up to a questionnaire. So if I fail this by saying maybe a Toyota Tundra and submit this, well, it basically flags it as an error, right? If I change this to Camry and submit it, I'm in. Okay, and just like that, I now have access to the documents. I can go ahead, sign, and submit. All right, that's it for setting questionnaires or using questionnaires to secure your Inhouz Cloud, Inhouz Sign documents. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.